Today we are going to be drawing Pusheen the cat. First, you're going to need black, blue, pink, purple, and gray. Okay, so let's get started. First, we need to draw her eyes. Then her mouth. Everything is big. There's her mouth. Okay. I need to move it. Can you see my sister? Yes, you can. Move a little bit right there. Then we're going to draw her whiskers. Pusheen the cat is very fat, so she needs to be eating a cupcake.
We're making a Pacific one.
Yes. Aubrey, my sister has a stuffed animal of her, and she's holding a cupcake. So that's why we're making it with a cupcake. And the cupcake has a small little kitty face in there. I'm going to try to zoom in the camera. Can I do that? I can't zoom in the camera. I don't know. Well, just so you know, the cupcake has a little cat face, just like Pusheen's.
Maybe you can see mine a bit better.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if they can see mine. Yep, they can see mine. But
Okay.
I don't think they can see
Now let's draw her ears.
her ears. I can see.
It's curved. Then we're gonna draw her body, but first we gotta draw her feet. And let's also...
Actually, mine looks more like Kitty.
Yeah, it does. Let's also draw her friend, a sloth, because she does have a sloth. That's her friend.
Oh, you're going to draw your sloth?
Yes, I have a sloth. Do you want to draw the sloth?
Yes, I would.
Oh, and here, I'll tell you the colors for the sloth.
Oh, yes, we need the color.
You're going to need brown, light brown.
Also, this is, you don't have to draw him if you don't want to.
Yeah, you only need these two colors, brown and light brown.
But if you don't want to draw, you
These
don't
are
have
going to
to.
be the example.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay, so look, I'm going to finish drawing him. I'm going to draw his arms. And he actually hugs little kitty.
Which is cute. He kind of looks like an inflatable.
Meow, 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 meow.
You know what he looks like?
What?
He kind of looks like one of those inflatable things.
Yeah, he does. That's holding something. Inflatable. You're going to draw his little feet coming out. And his...
But you actually forgot Kitty's tail.
I forget Kitty's little tail, raccoon tail.
What do you think it is? A raccoon or a cat?
A cat.
Raccoon cat.
Yeah, raccoon cat.
Now let me draw.
Over here. Needs to be over here.
Cute little feet. It's cute little feet.
Just trying to make sure that you guys can see our paper. Now it's good. Okay. Now we are gonna color
Then
Kitty
show
and
it to you in the
Sloth.
time lapse.
Yes.
So this is what all final ones look like. And this is what we were trying to draw. It's my stuffed animal.
Woo!
So again, I'll tell you the colors. Pink, brown, gray, black, blue, and purple.
And don't forget to subscribe, and you can pause the video to see exactly what colors we did.